Building wealth in 5 years is possible, but only with realistic systems and consistent daily execution. Ignore viral shortcuts and overnight promises. Real wealth requires patience, discipline, and boring habits. Start by tracking every single dollar. You cannot manage your money until you measure it accurately. Build 3 months of living expenses first. Financial safety enables smart risk-taking. Attack high-interest debt relentlessly. Freeing your monthly cash flow accelerates every future goal. Invest in skills that increase your market value immediately. Your earning power is your greatest asset. Deliver exceptional results consistently. Promotions and raises reward reliability over flashy short-term wins. Cut recurring waste ruthlessly. Redirect that saved cash directly toward wealth-building accounts. Automate savings and investing completely. Remove willpower and emotion from the financial equation. Start with low-cost index funds. Instant diversification protects beginners from single-stock risk. Invest monthly regardless of market mood. Consistency beats timing every single time. Resist lifestyle inflation fiercely. Guard your capital so it can compound for years ahead. Year 1 secures the foundation completely. Safety, skills, and habits finally align perfectly. A promotion or raise arrives. Do not increase your spending. Save the difference. Route the entire raise directly to investments and savings buffers. Never inflate lifestyle. Monetize new skills through side projects. Extra income accelerates wealth building dramatically. Noise returns louder during bull markets. Stay focused on your boring proven plan. Review quarterly, not daily. Adjust allocations slowly. Then ignore market fluctuations. Markets dip naturally. Continue buying shares at discount prices without panic. High interest debt is finally cleared. All cash flow now works for you. Compounding begins quietly now. Your existing gains start generating new gains daily. Build genuine professional relationships. Quality opportunities always flow through strong networks. Year 2 shows income growth and asset accumulation aligning perfectly. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts immediately. Keep more of your earnings compounding for you. Scale side income by delegating low-value tasks. Time is your scarcest resource. Real emergencies happen unexpectedly. Your buffer protects your investments completely. Rebalance annually without emotion. Sell high, buy low mechanically to manage risk. Choose reliability over status always. Preserve capital for exponential growth later. Read consistently every month. Financial literacy prevents incredibly costly mistakes. Avoid lifestyle competition completely. Your race is against your past self only. Markets recover over time naturally. Staying invested wins the long-term race. Year 3 brings inevitable volatility. Trust the system through every market cycle. Mass panic spreads when markets drop suddenly. Ignore the emotional noise completely. History proves recovery always follows downturns. Stay the course confidently. Windfalls arrive unexpectedly. Deploy them into investments immediately without hesitation. New credentials unlock higher income brackets consistently over your career. Audit expenses yearly. Find hidden leaks. Redirect everything to wealth. Strategic partnerships multiply income streams and reduce personal financial risk. Reinvest all dividends automatically. Let compounding accelerate silently in background. Year 4 scales income and assets simultaneously. Real momentum builds now. Add real estate for diversification and powerful tax advantages legally. Fund maintenance reserves properly. Protect real assets from unexpected surprises. Delay gratification strategically. Prioritize financial independence over temporary status. Expect cycles naturally. Prepare for downturns strategically in advance. Teaching cements mastery completely. Leadership increases your market value. Harvest tax losses legally every year. Keep more capital working hard. Assets compound silently now. The wealth curve steepens noticeably. Year 5 brings real financial breathing room. Systems finally work. Passive income now covers baseline living expenses completely. Wealth buys back your precious time. Use it intentionally every day. Emergency fund covers 1 full year now. Absolute safety secured. All liabilities eliminated completely. Net worth climbs freely upward. Monthly investing became automatic. Discipline requires absolutely zero daily effort. Strong networks deliver consistent high-quality opportunities automatically. Legal tax optimization keeps millions working over decades effectively. Corrections become buying opportunities for prepared investors always. Scale income through delegation and systems, not personal hours. Upgrade comfort from assets, never from credit card debt. Rebalance maintains target risk perfectly. Remove emotion from allocation. Compounding works exponentially now. The later years pay most heavily. Hype fades completely when real systems produce real results. Mentorship validates the entire journey. Discipline compounds wealth. Financial peace replaces daily anxiety completely now. Keep dry powder ready always for strategic buying opportunities. Never stop learning. Skills unlock new income ceilings constantly. Teaching others solidifies your own financial mastery completely. Protect assets with proper insurance always. One loss can ruin years. Secure legacy basics early now. Wealth transfer requires proper planning. Real estate cash flow stabilizes all income streams effectively. Navigate cycles by adjusting allocation, never abandoning strategy. Wealth supports life balance perfectly, not the other way around. Investments now grow faster than earned income does. Reject noise permanently now. Trust your proven system. Leadership compounds influence massively. Opportunity follows naturally. Tax efficiency mastered completely. Capital works at maximum capacity. 5 years of realistic execution creates undeniable real wealth. Financial freedom allows choosing passion over obligation daily. 2-year safety net locked tight. Absolute financial security achieved. Build systems that run perfectly without you. Freedom scales. Volatility is simply the price of admission for long-term growth. The formula requires no secrets, only relentless daily consistency. Follow this exact order every month. Start today, not next year. Subscribe to Mr. K for more realistic wealth building strategies. Build realistically. Execute consistently. Own your future completely now. Inflation rises continuously. Properly structured assets outpace it reliably every single year. Shift your mindset from lifetime accumulation to generational wealth creation immediately. Passive income streams expand beyond just investments into real business equity. Market mastery comes from discipline, not prediction. Follow the map consistently. True wealth designs your daily life perfectly around your core values and health. The independence number hits exactly. Systems work flawlessly without intervention. Strategic giving amplifies community impact while maintaining financial security. Systems require constant refinement. Optimize continuously to maintain peak efficiency. Mentorship cements your knowledge. Teaching others scales your impact exponentially. Comprehensive risk mitigation protects wealth through all economic cycles safely. Portfolio maturity means stability, consistent returns, and sleep-friendly peace of mind. Time freedom arrives when passive income completely covers all life expenses. Estate planning ensures wealth transfers smoothly without unnecessary tax friction. Realistic goals combined with daily execution always produce undeniable real wealth. You have the exact blueprint now. The only variable left is your consistent action. Open your brokerage account today. Fund it with whatever amount you currently possess. Verify every automation works perfectly. Let the machines build your wealth consistently. Anchor your psychology in patience. Emotional stability is your ultimate wealth asset. Maintain a decades-long vision. Short-term noise becomes completely irrelevant. Compounding reality proves that time in the market beats timing the market always. Final checkpoint complete. Every system active. Every goal on trajectory for success. Wealth mindset shifts completely from scarcity thinking to abundant strategic execution. Build your own community of disciplined investors. Shared accountability accelerates growth. Review the blueprint monthly. Adjust tactics slightly, but never change core strategy. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Consistent education fuels consistent execution. Commit to building legacy wealth that benefits families far beyond your own lifetime. 5 years is enough time to change everything. Start building your wealth today. Your future self is waiting for you. The path is clear. Just keep walking forward. Every completed chapter writes the next one. Keep documenting your progress consistently. Daily rituals compound into massive results. Never break the chain of execution. Lock your mindset against doubt. Trust the process completely and execute daily. Wealth confirms itself through peace of mind, not just account balances. Express gratitude daily for progress made. Gratitude fuels sustained long-term motivation. You possess every tool required. Execute the blueprint. Claim your financial independence. Mr. K delivers weekly wealth strategies. Subscribe to accelerate your financial journey. Build realistically. Execute consistently. Own your future completely starting now.